What's the meaning of Black Death? Black Death. Black Death.
Black Death. Black Death. Black Death refers to a devastating pandemic that occurred in Europe during the 14th century. The disease, also known as the bubonic plague, was caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, which was transmitted to humans through bites from infected fleas. The Black Death is estimated to have killed between 75 and 200 million people, decimating entire communities and causing widespread panic and social upheaval. The name Black Death comes from the dark patches that formed on the skin of those infected with the disease. Today, the Black Death remains one of the deadliest pandemics in human history and serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of public health and disease prevention.